In the midst of ongoing controversy surrounding Deepika Padukone's reported exit from the upcoming film Spirit, actress Tamanna Bhatia has quietly shown her support for Deepika, and she did it without saying a word. Fans were quick to notice that Tamanna liked an Instagram reel that touched on the challenges women face in professional spaces. The video highlighted a throwback moment from 2020 during a Chhappa press conference where Deepika confidently shuts down a reporter's assumption. "Just for the record, my husband has not funded this film. It's my production company that has produced it, and that's how it works." The reel quickly gained traction online, with many applauding Deepika's strength in standing up to baseless assumptions. And in a subtle yet powerful gesture, Tamanna, who's been known for her poised demeanor, liked the post, signaling her support for Deepika during this challenging time. Deepika is currently facing backlash over her reported exit from Spirit. Sources suggest disagreements about pay and scheduling may have played a role, though nothing has been confirmed officially. As for Tamanna, she's been keeping busy with her own work. Recently, she appeared in the Telugu film Odela 2, which also starred Heba Patel and Vashisht N. Sinha. She also made a special appearance in the song Nasha from Raid 2, starring Ajay Devgan, Vani Kapoor, Ritesh Deshmukh. Looking ahead, Tamanna has an exciting project lined up. She stars in the folk thriller One, Force of the Forest alongside Siddharth Malhotra. The movie, directed by Arunabh Kumar and Deepak Mishra, is all set to hit theaters on 15th May 2026. Both Deepika and Tamanna continue to inspire us with their strength and resilience in the face of challenges. In a world full of noise, sometimes silence speaks the loudest. Akhil Akkineni, the younger son of Nagarjun Akkineni, is all set to marry his longtime partner, Zainab Rawatji, in June 2025. The couple, who got engaged in November 2024, have kept their relationship private so far, but now, it's time for the big reveal. After months of keeping things low-key, Akhil and Zainab are finally ready to take the next step. Reports suggest that their wedding is set for 6 June 2025 and preparations are already in full swing. While the Akkineni family hasn't confirmed all the details yet, there are whispers that the wedding could take place at the family's Annapurna Studios in Hyderabad. Some reports also hint that it might be a destination wedding in Rajasthan. Imagine a beautiful blend of traditional and royal vibes. Zainab Rawatji, who will soon be Akhil's wife, is a talented artist known for her stunning abstract paintings. She is also the daughter of prominent industrialist Zulfi Rawatji. It looks like the couple's wedding will be a beautiful mix of art, culture, and elegance. As for Akhil, he's gearing up for his next big project. He'll be seen in the action-packed drama Linen, directed by Murli Kishore Abburu. The film also stars Srileela as the female lead and is slated for a November 2025 release. Fans can't wait to see what's in store for him on the big screen. This also comes after Akhil's older brother, Naga Chaitanya, married actress Sobhita Dhulipala on 4th December. The Akkineni family has certainly been busy with wedding bells ringing. The countdown to Akhil Akkineni and Zainab Rawatji's wedding has officially begun. We are sure it's going to be a celebration full of love, joy, and memories. Stay tuned for more updates as the big day approaches.
फिर तीसरी बात,
क्या परेश रावल का ये दावा कि फिरोज नाडियाडवाला के पास हेरा फेरी के राइट्स है गलत? क्या अक्षय कुमार ने पूरी फ्रेंचाइजी के राइट्स फिरोज नाडियाडवाला से खरीद ली है? अक्षय कुमार और परेश रावल के बीच चल रही लीगल बैटल ने सबको हैरान कर दिया है। परेश रावल के हेरा फेरी 3 से अचानक एग्जिट के बाद अब नए नए मुद्दे सामने आ रहे हैं। सबसे बड़ा ट्विस्ट तब आया जब प्रोड्यूसर फिरोज नाडियाडवाला, जिन्होंने पहले 2 पार्ट्स हेरा फेरी और फिर हेरा फेरी प्रोड्यूस किए थे, उन्होंने अक्षय, परेश और डायरेक्टर प्रियदर्शन को लीगल नोटिस भेज दिया। फिरोज नाडियाडवाला का कहना है कि हेरा फेरी फ्रेंचाइजी और उसके कैरेक्टर्स के इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स (IPR) उनके पास ही है। रिसेंटली परेश रावल की लीगल टीम ने एक स्टेटमेंट दिया जिसमें बताया गया कि परेश ने साइनिंग अमाउंट ₹11 लाख इंटरेस्ट के साथ वापस कर दिया, क्योंकि उन्हें स्टोरी, स्क्रीन प्ले और एग्रीमेंट का फाइनल ड्राफ्ट तक नहीं दिया गया। और फिर सुनने में आया कि नाडियाडवाला ने अभी एक्टर्स को नोटिस भेजकर हेरा फेरी फ्रेंचाइजी से जुड़े कोई भी प्रोमो, एंडोर्समेंट या कोई और एक्टिविटी करने से मना कर दिया है। इन्हीं सब मुद्दों पर अब प्रियदर्शन का बयान सामने आया है, जो हैदराबाद में अपनी नेक्स्ट फिल्म भूत बंगला के पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में बिजी है। उन्होंने साफ साफ कहा, अक्षय bought the entire rights of the Hera Fairy franchisee for ₹10 crore from Feroz Nadiadwala, who had produced the first 2 parts. This is not just for Hera Fairy 3, but the entire franchisee. I know this as I have seen the paperwork for it. उन्होंने ये भी बताया कि अक्षय ने उनको अग्रीमेंट दिखाया था जिसमें IP राइट्स क्लियरली लिखे हुए थे। तब जाके प्रियदर्शन ने फिल्म डायरेक्ट करने के लिए हाँ किया।
Of course, there is a certain responsibility that you have as a public figure to talk about things that matter and get behind things that you believe in. I do think that. I don't think it's like okay to be irresponsible about things. But as far as his work is concerned, I think he's always been top of the line.
शाहिद कपूर की कबीर सिंह 2019 में बॉक्स ऑफिस पर तो धमाका था, लेकिन उसके साथ ही एक बड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी भी लेकर आई, स्पेशली टॉक्सिक मैस्कुलिनिटी और लव के नाम पर वायलेंस दिखाने को लेकर। अब 5 साल बाद शाहिद के छोटे भाई और एक्टर ईशान खट्टर ने इस फिल्म पर एक थॉटफुल और बैलेंस टेक दिया है। जूम के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन के दौरान ईशान खट्टर ने कहा कि कबीर सिंह को लेके जो डाइवर्स ओपिनियंस आए वो इसलिए थे क्योंकि हमारी ऑडियंस बोल्ड सिनेमा में इंटरेस्ट रखती है और काफी पैशनेट है।
Not only as a brother, but also as an actor, saw what he brought to that part and the layers that he brought to it. And it's not easy to watch a character like that, let alone empathize with a character like that, you know. So, while seeing all the red flags laid out in front of you, you know, and it's undeniable, there was a large audience that loved the work and loved that film.
साथ ही ईशान ने एक एक्टर के नजरिए से अपनी पर्सपेक्टिव दी और फिल्म पर कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म भी दिया।
I think he deserved the love for the work that he put in and what he was able to bring to that character. In fact, I would go as far as to say I think he brought layers and a certain dignity and a righteousness and at the same time a brokenness and all of that to a character that only an actor of that caliber can. And I think I'm very proud of him as a younger brother and as as an actor, I look up to him. I'm very proud of him.
कबीर सिंह, जिसमें शाहिद कपूर लीड रोल में है, एक 2019 की बॉलीवुड फिल्म है जो बॉक्स ऑफिस पर काफी बड़ी हिट रही। इसे संदीप रेड्डी वांगा ने डायरेक्ट किया था और ये तेलुगु फिल्म अर्जुन रेड्डी का रीमेक है। शाहिद कपूर ने कबीर का रोल प्ले किया है, एक ब्रिलियंट लेकिन सेल्फ डिस्ट्रक्टिव सर्जन जो अपनी लव प्रीति प्लेड बाय कियारा अडवाणी को खो देने के बाद एडिक्शन और गुस्से में डूब जाता है।
I think he deserved the love for the work that he put in and what he was able to bring to that character. In fact, I would go as far as to say I think he brought layers and a certain dignity and a righteousness and at the same time a brokenness and all of that to a character that only an actor of that caliber can. And I think I'm very proud of him as a younger brother, and as an actor, I look up to him. I'm very proud of him.